This is the second largest fish in the world. Hello everyone and welcome to another installment of Gabe's Wild Planet. With Shark Week just a few weeks away, I thought I'd take the opportunity to do another shark video. So today, we'll be focusing on the basking shark. The basking shark is a large shark species. In fact, it is the second largest shark species in the world. It is also the world's second largest fish after the whale shark. Adult basking sharks can reach lengths of 8 meters and weigh a colossal 5 tons. These sharks can be found near the surface in cold to warm temperate waters worldwide. They can also be found in deeper waters in tropical and equatorial regions. They are often spotted near the coast and are a migratorial species, and when they migrate, they dive to depths reaching 1,264 meters. Now, I know what some of you are probably thinking. The basking shark does kind of resemble the more fearsome great white. However, there are major differences between the two sharks. For one thing, basking sharks are much larger than great whites, and while they do have 15 rows of hook-shaped teeth, their teeth are smaller than a great white's, with a single tooth measuring only 5 millimeters. In fact, if you were to put your hand inside of a basking shark's mouth, it would feel like rubbing sandpaper. Despite its large size and fearsome appearance, in truth, the basking shark is a harmless filter feeder and is by no means a threat to humans. This gentle giant feeds mainly on microscopic organisms known as plankton, specifically zooplankton, which are microscopic invertebrates. It is a ram feeder, meaning it swims with its mouth open to catch its prey. Basking sharks usually feed at the surface. When feeding, the shark cruises at a slow 2.5 miles an hour with its mouth wide open. As it swims, water is constantly being pushed into its mouth and exits its gills. Inside the gills are these little comb-like structures known as gill rakers. These act like strainers, extracting the plankton from the water as they pass through the gills, preventing them from leaving the gills. Then the shark simply closes its mouth, forcing the zooplankton down its throat and into its stomach. An adult basking shark can eat hundreds of pounds of zooplankton in a single day. Not much is known about their mating behavior. However, basking sharks mate during the summer months. And while mating has never been observed, scars on the females suggest that the males use their teeth to hold on to the females while mating. Its large size means that the basking shark has very few predators. The only animals that are capable of taking on such a leviathan are great whites and orcas. However, sadly, their size cannot protect them from the many unnatural threats they face in the wild. Basking sharks are listed as endangered, and while their total population is unknown, their populations have decreased by as much as 50%. These giants are threatened by overfishing, sometimes being caught as bycatch or caught intentionally. Basking sharks are prized in many countries for their large, oily livers, which are used in many products, including women's makeup. They are also threatened by climate change and collisions with boats and boat propellers. Boat collisions mostly occur during the summer months when the sharks are feeding at the surface. There are many ways we can help this species survive. For one thing, don't use products that contain shark liver or shark liver oil, like makeup, as I mentioned earlier. Sorry ladies, you're gonna have to make a sacrifice for the survival of the species. Another thing to do is, don't kill them. It's better to see one alive than dead. One of the best places to view basking sharks is the waters around Scotland, where they are protected as a species. In fact, the money made through ecotourism goes to preserving this species and its habitat. Thanks for watching, and remember, like and subscribe to be notified for new videos. See you later.